Hello everyone, welcome to Railway Goal. Today I will going to discuss physics and chemistry topic test 3. It is not 2, it is a 3. Before going to the questions, I would like to tell you that if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you will get notification when I do new videos and share with your friends. Okay, let's go to the question. First question, which of the following is the best conductor of heat? Option A, mercury. Option B, silver. Option C, leather. Option D, benzene. Answer is option B. Most of the metals are best conductor of heat. Example, first is silver. Silver is denoted by the Ag symbol. Then copper is denoted by the Cu, copper. And gold. Gold is denoted by the Au. These are the best conductor of heat, etc. Another point, best conductor of heat and electricity both is silver only. Silver. Next question. A liquid initially contracts when cooled down to 4 degrees Celsius, but on further cooling down to 0 degrees Celsius, it expands. The liquid is, which liquid it is? They are asking. Here the concept is generally ice when at 0 degree, after heating this it converts to liquid through the process happened is expansion process going to happen while conversion. But when ice 0 degree to 4 degree centigrade water, here contraction process will occur. This is the exceptional case. Nothing but it is what? It's in a different behavior of the water. This behavior is called anomalous behavior of the water, generally called. And another point, very important, at 4 degrees Celsius, water has a maximum density and low volume. This is the very important point. At the 4 degrees centigrade, water has a maximum density and low volume. Next question. How many astronauts have walked on the moon? Option A 2, option B 5, option C 12, option D 9. Before going to the answer, what is the meaning of the astronaut? Astronaut means one who go to the space. From USA, they are called as astronauts. Whereas in India what we call in India called humanites. One who go from India to space, they are called as humanites. Russia called as cosmonauts. For the third question, answer is astronauts from USA. How many? Option C is the right answer. 12. 12 astronauts have walked on the moon. First to walk on moon is Neil Armstrong from USA. Neil Armstrong. Fourth question. Distance between the two crusts in a wave is given by this is the crust, this is also crust. The what is the distance? This distance is called lambda. Lambda means wavelength. Okay, for the fourth question, answer is D. Fifth question, what does the sorry, this is not what this is when does when does the airbag used for the car driver, it contains what? It contains sodium azide. Option B is the right answer, sodium azide. Car driver, during the accident time, airbag going to be save the car driver. Airbag contains what? Sodium azide. Next question, sixth question. What air is situated? When air is situated, it cannot hold. It cannot hold what? Option A, more water vapor. Option B, more air. Option C, more carbon dioxide. Option D, more O2. What is the, before going to the answer, what is the definition of the air? Air means, what is the air? Air nothing but oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor. This is air. Air, the definition of the air is this. When air is situated, it cannot hold how much? What is the answer? It cannot hold more water vapor. Option A is the right answer, more water vapor. Next question. The ozone layer absorbs what? Option A, infrared radiation. Option B, ultraviolet radiations. Option C, X-ray radiations. Option D, gamma rays. Answer is B, ultraviolet radiations. In the ultraviolet radiation, three types of the radiations are there. One is the ultraviolet radiation A, then B, then C. Ultraviolet radiation A means it gives vitamin D. B, ultraviolet rays B, it deflect the ozone layer. This is the main cause for skin cancer also. But ultraviolet rays C, it joins the, or it prepare the ozone, O3. For the seventh question, ozone layer absorbs is ultraviolet rays. Eighth question. The broad money in India is option A, M1, option B, M2, option C, M3, option D, M4. Answer is option C is the right answer, M3. Broad money means currency public and deposits. In India, currency public and deposits comes under the M3. For the 8th question, answer is option C. Next question. Which one of the following pairs is mismatched? A, fossil fuels. What are the fossil fuels are there? Petroleum is a fossil fuel, coal is a fossil fuel, and natural gas is a fossil fuel. Main fossil fuels are petroleum, coal, and natural gas. So when fossil fuel burnt out, then what released? Carbon dioxide going to release. So first statement is right. Nuclear power, radioactive waste. Second statement is also right. Why? Because nuclear waste nothing but nuclear fuel we are going to use as a what? Plutonium, uranium. Yes. Third, solar energy greenhouse effect. Nowhere related. Greenhouse effect is happened when greenhouse effect is responsible gas are carbon dioxide, methane, and ozone, water vapor, and N2O, nitrous oxide. These are the gases responsible for the greenhouse effect. So option C is wrong. Option D, biomass burning, or it is a biogas, release of the CO2 takes place. It is right. For the ninth question, option C is the right answer. Mismatch is C. Next question, myopia eye defect corrected by option A convex lens, option B concave lens, option C bifocal lens, option D cylindrical lens. Answer is concave lens. Okay, myopia means it is a short sightedness eye defect. It means near objects are visible very clear, but far objects are not clear. This is the myopia corrected by the concave lens. For the 10th question, option B is the right answer. Okay, thank you.